Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular digital banking solutions, Bunq and Revolut. These platforms revolutionize traditional banking by offering convenient digital services such as money management, international transfers, and more. We'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a quick look at these resources' main features. Bunq features include real-time payments. Bunq allows users to make instant payments in real time, enhancing transaction speed and efficiency. Personalized savings goals. Users can set personalized savings goals and effortlessly track their progress, fostering better financial management. Green Card. Bunq offers a green card option, enabling users to make environmentally friendly purchases and contribute to sustainability efforts. Travel Card. With Bunq's Travel Card, users enjoy fee-free spending abroad and real-time currency conversion, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Revolut features include multi-currency accounts. Revolut provides multi-currency accounts, allowing users to hold and exchange multiple currencies at competitive rates. Cryptocurrency trading. Unlike Bunq, Revolut offers cryptocurrency trading capabilities, enabling users to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies within the app. Savings vaults. Revolut savings vaults help users save towards specific goals, offering roundup features and flexible saving options. Budget tools. Revolut offers robust budgeting tools, including spending categorization and budget tracking, empowering users to manage their finances effectively.
In terms of pricing structure, Bunq offers a subscription-based model with plans starting at €7.99 per month, offering various features based on the selected plan. On the other hand, Revolut offers a freemium model with a free plan and premium plans starting at $7.99 per month as well. Each plan adds additional features such as higher withdrawal limits and exclusive card designs available in higher tier plans. Bunq's user experience emphasizes personalization and eco-friendliness, with features like personalized savings goals and the green card. In contrast, Revolut prioritizes versatility and innovation, offering cryptocurrency trading and multi-currency accounts. Both platforms provide intuitive interfaces and robust mobile apps, but Bunq's focus on sustainability may appeal more to environmentally conscious users. When comparing Bunq and Revolut, Bunq offers advantages such as instant payments, personalized savings goals, eco-friendly options like the green card, and convenient travel card features. However, it comes with higher subscription fees, limited cryptocurrency support, and fewer currency options when compared to Revolut. On the other hand, Revolut provides benefits like multi-currency accounts, cryptocurrency trading capabilities, savings vaults, and comprehensive budgeting tools. Nevertheless, it may have drawbacks such as limited customer support, potential fees for certain transactions, and fewer sustainability features when compared to Bunq.
Alternatives to Bunq and Revolut include traditional banks with digital offerings like N26 and Monzo, which provide similar services but may have different pricing structures and features. Additionally, global fintech platforms such as Wise and PayPal offer alternatives for international money transfers and currency exchange.
Ultimately, the choice between Bunq and Revolut depends on individual preferences and priorities. If you value eco-friendliness and personalized banking features, Bunq may be the ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize versatility, multi-currency functionality, and innovative financial services like cryptocurrency trading, Revolut may be the better option to suit your needs. Sign up for the free trial today and start revolutionizing your banking experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more insightful comparisons and tips. Thank you for watching.